Hello. Wake up, dear.
Good morning, Tina.
Good morning, Mom. Does my uniform look okay?
Yes, you look wonderful. Are you ready to go to school?
I think I am.
Do you feel a little nervous?
Just a little.
That's completely fine.
Okay, Mom. It is my first day at school.
Yes.
Have breakfast before you go.
Okay.
Nice breakfast, Dad.
You'll need the energy. Don't skip breakfast. It helps you stay focused.
First day's important. Start it right.
Yes, Mom, I feel okay now.
That's good.
Let's check your things. Books, pencils, and your pencil case.
Yes, I have everything.
Let's go.
Your bag isn't too heavy, right?
It feels a bit big.
Here, take this for good luck.
Thank you, Tom. I will use this in school.
Let's head to school.
All right, Mom and Dad. There are so many children here.
Yes, you'll make new friends. You are very brave.
Really?
Yes.
Be good in school and listen to your teacher.
I'll do my best.
Make good choices and be kind to everyone.
Okay.
Sweetie, I hope you have fun today.
Good morning, children.
Please welcome to the class.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Tina. And I'm a little nervous.
That's okay. Everyone feels that way at first. This is your class. Welcome.
Wow, it looks nice.
You'll be learning and having fun here.
I can't wait to start.
Did you like your class, dear?
Mom, come and see my classroom.
Of course, show me everything.
Look, that's my desk over there. It's perfect. Bye, Mom and Dad.
Come and sit down, dear.
Oh, dear.
Don't worry. Let's pick those up.
Oops, I'm sorry.
It's okay, dear. Take care. Go and sit down now. Can you please give paper to Sam sitting right behind?
Yes, teacher.
Now come with me.
I love this classroom, teacher. It makes me feel happy to be here. I will sit down here. I can see you more clearly from here.
Children, we have a new student here.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tina. I'm excited to be in this class.
Please take out your notebook. Open your books to page 1.
Yes, teacher.
Let's get ready to start our lesson.
Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready, teacher.
This is your school badge. Please wear it every day.
Thank you, I'll keep it safe.
Let's continue the lesson. will write it on the board. Please copy it into your notebook.
Yes, teacher.
Let's write your name.
Okay. T-I-N-A.
Very good. Nice writing.
Look here. Wow, that's really nice. What are you writing now?
Tina, take this.
Hi there. I like red.
I like blue.
It's time for a break. Break time.
Do you want to play?
Yes.
Okay, come. Let us run there.
This is fun.
Okay, children, break time is over. Please come back to your seats. You are all doing great. You can have lunch after some time.
I love the sandwiches my mom made.
Okay, children. Let's finish our lesson first. Tina will sing a song for us now.
Yes, teacher.
One little puppy barks so loud, two bright eyes in the dark shroud, three green frogs jump around.
That was wonderful, Tina. It's time to go now, children.
I like school. I love coming to class every day. Hey, Mom. Dad, I had a wonderful time today.
That was nice to hear. What did you do in class today, my dear?
I enjoyed so much.
How was your day?
It was so much fun, Mom. I enjoyed.
I'm so happy Tina enjoyed her first day at school.
Yes,
I enjoyed my first day at school. I met new friends, learned new things, and had so much fun. I can't wait to go back tomorrow.